Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Today's homework assignment is homework number 12. You'll find this in YouTube under homework number 12, Miss Gomez. We are now currently working on graphing linear equations and inequalities. So this is the worksheet and what it looks like. You have 4 problems on the front page to go ahead and graph equations, and your second page will be to graph 4 inequalities. So let's go ahead and get started. I will go ahead and model and sample doing for you number 1, which is sketch the graph of each line. So I'll do number 1 and you're responsible for 2 and 3 and 4. So here I just automatically set up a table for my X and my Y. And I'm going to go ahead and start off with 0 for X. So if I put 0 in for X, Y is negative 2. If I put 1 in for X, then I get 0. If I put in 2 for X, then I get 2. If I put in 3 for X, then I get 4. If I put negative 1 in there, then I get negative 4. Okay, so now I'm going to plot these 5 points that I have. So at negative 1, I go negative 4. At 0, I put negative 2. At 1, I have 0. At 2, I have 2. And at 3, I have 4. So that I can go ahead and come in here, ladies and gentlemen, and draw my line from here through my points. And I have my line. Let me just adjust it over my points. So there is my line. I've modeled number 1 for you. Therefore, you are to go ahead and do 2, 3, and 4 the same way, creating a table, plotting them, and then graphing the line through the points. On the inequalities, it says y is greater than or equal to 3x. Here again, I would set up my table. And looking at my inequality symbol, I see that it is going to be a dotted line because the inequality symbol does not have the equal sign underneath it. So I set up my table, X and Y. I plug in numbers, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, and 2. So if I put in negative 2, is negative 6 less than Y? Yes. So I get negative 6. Then if I put negative 1 in there, then I get negative 3. If I go ahead and put 0, I get 0. If I put 1 in there, I get 3. If I put 2 in there, I go ahead and get 6. So then I plot these points. I go negative 2, 6, negative 1, 3, negative 3, I'm sorry, 0, 0. I go negative, positive 1, 3, and then I go 2, 6. So through these points, I would draw my dotted line. So I go from here through here. My dotted line is there, ladies and gentlemen. Then I can go ahead and shade. And because it says y is greater, and according to the notes that we gave y'all yesterday, y is greater, then that means we shade above. So therefore, I'm going to go ahead and shade above. Oops, switched. So I shade everything above, but do not include the line because it's a dotted line. And I apologize. I'm trying to hurry up and color it in for you. But once you shade it as best as you can, then you are done. And you do that the same thing for 6, 7, 8 on your paper. If you need additional help, please ask one of your teachers, whether it's Mr. Hyatt, Ms. Bautista, or Mr. Sanchez, or myself, and we'd be more than happy to assist you with this. Thank you and have a great day.